Oh dear. Oh, poor balloon. It's getting beat to pieces. It's okay, balloon. I wouldn't blame you if you get popped. It's not your fault. It's not your fault if you get popped, balloon. It's a person's fault who put this fan on high. But I think it gets put on high by this person because he knows that it sucks it in. The wind is much more likely to suck it in when it's on high. It's just more exciting and he can't help it. Okay, you ready for a spin down on this video, Levi? I guess you'll just have to save up your money and buy some more. Can we do a spin down? Here, do we do it with the switch?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to turn off the switch then. Here we go. See, balloon, are you going to come on over? He's thinking about it. He's thinking about it. If balloons had personalities, I think that this would be the safe one, and this one would be the daredevil one. But they don't have personalities, so whatever. What's your favorite color, Levi? Blue or green?
Blue.
Blue is your favorite color?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Blue. Blue.
Blue or balloon? Balloon is not a color. You're wishing it would come on over there?
Yeah.
I was going to do this spin down first. Okay, here comes some wibble wobbles. Because I'm just this kind of mom. I'm going to give this a push into the fan because it is Levi's favorite thing. Except for it just went right out of my reach. Oh! Popping balloons to get a balloon over there. Sorry, Levi. It's a no-go. I'd say there's a good chance this is. And there we go. Thanks for watching.